There is a lot of traits a man will exhibit that a woman will find erotic, that she'll get turned on by, and they're not even sexual. For example, become dangerous. I heard this quote once that went something along the lines of, it is better to be a warrior in a garden than a gardener at war. You need to be tough. You need to go through struggle. It'll give you an edge over 99% of other men that only operate when they're happy or when they're motivated. Those men are weak. Weak men get played. Women love dominant men that are able to lead even through adversity. That is attractive. Number 2. Be put together. You have to understand that when a woman sees you as a potential mate, they're thinking, man, I have to show this guy to my friends. I have to show this guy to my family. I'll probably have to post this guy on social media. She wants a version of you that she can show off. In other words, you need to look like somebody she could be proud of. Somebody that she thinks that she won the lottery with. That is why how you dress, it is so important. Everyone will judge you through it. And the cool thing with us men is, it's really not that difficult. For men, the bar is set low. You don't have to care about fashion trends and designers and the latest and greatest. You don't. You just got to make sure stuff fits. You got to make sure you're wearing stuff that's classic, that's timeless. I've always said, you get t-shirts that fit right, that's more than enough for a man. As long as they fit right, they're quality tees, they make you look athletic, they're solid in color, you're good to go. But here's the thing. If you want to take it up a notch, if you actually want to dress better, I get it. It can be complicated, but not anymore. See, with Essentials, boys, we just released a new program that you're going to want to stick for because we're dropping our new collection October 15th. See, this new program is a subscription. It's an outfit subscription program where me, every month, I will design a specific outfit out of Essentials that I will send to you every month. If you guys sign up today, you're going to get 2 outfits for the first month, meaning you're basically getting a whole outfit completely free that I've designed. So all you got to do now, all thought process is taken out, is grab it, throw it on, you're good to go. I've styled it for you at this point. I'm trying to make it as easy as possible, but here's where it gets good. If you're part of our subscription program, we're dropping a new collection in a few weeks, boys. Largest collection we've ever dropped. Over 16 new essential pieces. I'm talking new oversized knitted sweaters. New underwear that's seamless. It has no seams. Yo, we have been engineering the craziest products. New tote bag. New chest rig, new oversized tees, new cargo pants, new canvas pants, new oversized t-shirts, and new oversized crew necks. 16 new training gear. We've been sold out on essential sports shorts for over a year. We're bringing back new shorts. It's not the same ones. Call these version 3 at this point. They fit amazing. Yo, this is the collection you're not going to want to miss. So 1, if you're not part of the program, put a reminder on your phone. October 15th, our new collection drops. But if you are part of the program, you should still put a reminder on your phone because here's the perk. You're going to get 1 free item out of that collection. 1 item, completely free, just because you're part of the subscription program. And we're not stopping there. You also get early access. See, pro members get to shop on Friday. You do as well. Now you get first dibs because some of the items that I just discussed are extremely limited. Let me give you an exact number. Some items were so hard to source fabric from, especially the oversized knitted sweaters. We only got like 2 to 500 pieces of each. You got to keep in mind, for a regular order of a new piece, we'll do anywhere from 5 to 10,000 units. So 500 units, it's going to fly. If you're part of this program, you got nothing to worry about. You got first dibs. Boys, if you guys want to check it out, click the link down below. Get that special offer. Get in now before a collection drops. And then on top of that, put a reminder on your phone. October 15th, you're not going to want to miss. Number 3, be kind. This is the number 1 trait women look for. Over 70,000 women were surveyed. And when they were asked what they looked for in a guy, the number 1 trait was always kindness. And this is not meaning you have to be a pushover or a nice guy. No, I'm not talking about that. You just have to be a guy that has manners, a complete gentleman with her. And again, this doesn't mean you don't get to stand up for yourself. This doesn't mean you're not allowed to set up boundaries for things you do and do not accept. And if anybody ever disrespects you, you can always walk away. 4, be responsible. I want you to take accountability for every error and lack you have in life. In other words, just be a man. See, too many men today decide to blame everyone and anything for whatever reason why they're not where they want to be, for why they don't have the girlfriend they want, why they don't have the money they want, why they don't have the job they want. You need to take full accountability. Always be responsible. Why are you in the situation you are now? What can you do to make it different? Now you do the action steps. Now we get to work. That level of maturity, super attractive. Number 5, you gotta be healthy. Because look, no girl wants a fat guy. Nobody wants a guy that's unhealthy. You have to think about it this way. Biologically speaking, women, there's a reason why they like tall, jacked men. It's not just because that number came out of nowhere. It's because in their heads, in their lizard or monkey brains from back when we were cavemen, they still think about every potential mate and what their offspring's gonna look like. I'm telling you, they'll talk to their friends about it. They think about it all the time. If I mate with this guy, what will my kids look like? That's why being healthy is important. You need to make sure you look genetically superior. If you look healthy, if you look athletic, your chances of mating are astronomically higher because you look more attractive. And ultimately, number 6, you gotta have money. Again, none of these are sexual. We talk nothing about sex or looking sexier, none of that. These are actual traits that, by the way, you should do for yourself. All of this entire list, you should do for yourself. And when you become that man that you want to become, which I'm telling you, you're going to be more satisfied with, women are going to find you irresistible.